We'll guide you through how to fix FaceTime not activating and activation problems you're facing. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use FaceTime. So we've got some different fixes you can try. So the problem I was facing is that it just said waiting for activation. Yours may be slightly different, but it doesn't matter as we're covering some broad fixes which will hopefully go and solve the problem. So to go and get started, you want to go and open up the settings. Scroll to the bottom and find apps, then scroll down and go and find FaceTime. What you want to try doing is simply going and switching off FaceTime, and then you can go and switch it back on. Sometimes doing this will go and solve the problem. If it solves it, then great. If it doesn't, come back here and you want to go and switch off FaceTime, and we're going to perform a restart. Press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down. It will go black. Keep it held down until you see the Apple icon. At this point, it's starting again. Release. When it starts again, open up your settings and come to the bottom, go and find apps and go and find FaceTime again. And then what you want to try doing is switching it back on. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, you can go and switch it off again like so. And then what you want to try doing is coming onto the side of your phone and removing the SIM card. So go and find the tray and go and get your SIM tool. If you don't have the SIM tool, don't worry. You can go and use a paperclip or another small thing like that. Push it and you can then go and slide the SIM out just for a couple of seconds, and you can then go and reinsert it again like so. It should then go and reconnect, and what you can do is head back to your settings again, find FaceTime and go and switch it back on like so. Now go and wait. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, it's worth restarting it after having gone in and remove and put the SIM back in. Hopefully now FaceTime is now successfully activated and you can go and use it.